How often do you get surf fishing and mountains with rainforest?
Dude, that was sick.
Bring it back this way, walk back. Nice and easy, How's your drag? Very tight, too tight? Oh. Here, watch your rod. Oh my God. There's no way we get this hook off. I think it's a houndfish. This is definitely how we get a hook in our hands. Watch the hook. I'm near the hook. Oh shit. I got him on video. That's sick. First fish, baby.
Well, we didn't have to worry about the hook at least.
Oh yeah, I was scared to unhook that. Oh yeah. Nice fish, bro. First fish of Hawaii. Whoa, look at the colors. It's beautiful. He's got those little like tentacles under his mouth. So this is my first fish of Hawaii. He's got these beautiful colors. These little tentacle things under his mouth. That is the first fish of Hawaii. We're gonna get him back. Beautiful little reed fish of some sort. That was awesome. How cool is that?